Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Today we're going to talk about the difference between keeping your earthquake damaged rental and continuing to rent it out, or selling your earthquake damaged as is where is rental and investing in another fully compliant property. Three things we're going to look at are return on investment, compliance and maintenance, and risk. Okay, so selling your as is where is property and investing in another fully compliant property, the return on your capital or return on investment is 8.74%. And for your as is where is rental, first year it's going to be 1.63 because you're going to have to invest another $10,000, which comes off the bottom line in compliance for the Healthy Homes Bill in terms of insulation and heating and ventilation, etc. Now, just before I carry on, all of these full figures are broken down on the website. Under compare, there is a report in there and it goes through these figures in a little bit more detail. Okay, so compliance and maintenance. Okay, if you're buying a new compliant property, generally the compliance and maintenance are going to be minimal if you buy well. Okay, compliance and maintenance for an as is where is property. To get it ready for July 2019, which isn't far away, you need to have full insulation underfloor and above in the roof, etc. You need heating and you need ventilation. That could cost anywhere between $8,000 and $10,000 or more, depending on the property. The other thing, if your property isn't compliant, you can get fined up to $4,000. Okay, and then given a work order to complete the work that needs to get it compliant. So you don't want to be in that situation. The risk, if you're buying a fully compliant property that's got full insurance, that's obviously got no maintenance issues, and it's got no compliance issues around the Healthy Homes Bill, your risk is going to be minimal. Your risk for a as is where is property, okay, let's just walk through it. So let's say we have an event, an earthquake, a flood, a fire. Okay, what's going to happen? Firstly, you're going to lose the rent of that property. Second thing is, if anyone gets hurt in that property, you are liable for them by them living in a property that is structurally unsound. The next thing is you're going to lose the residual value in that property, maybe 20 to 40k or more. You'll also have to demolish that property if you want to try and liquidate the section. That could be another $20,000. And then if you want to try and sell that section, you're probably going to have to discount it to get rid of it, because there are a lot of TC3 and 2C2 earthquake damaged sites around the city, or sections I should say around the city. Going to rebuild on that, your cost for foundations potentially quite high. So when you work your way through it, the risks are quite significant, and you know, if there was an event or someone got injured or killed, that would not be nice at all. Okay, so having gone through those, I'll let you make up your mind on what you think is a better option there. But if you're interested in getting a free appraisal from us, give us a call on 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout.